All right, here we are. Today is the day. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I got this for Christmas, and it's still new in the box. Because for almost 30 years, this Millenium Falcon has been in this box. My mom got this gift for me for Christmas. It was her big, crazy, hey, I got you something off eBay. And I have not opened this, but today I'm here at my friend Derek Frank's studio, and we are unboxing this boy. And you can tell by the environment that he's a bit of a Star Wars nerd too. So Star Wars nerds unite. And guys, here's the thing with this box, right? Like, I think of like you, if you're watching this, how many things that you have that are things that you could be doing that you've left wrapped up, hidden in the attic. And how sad is it that this has been sitting in someone's attic or basement or under their bed, new in box, never opened. It's like literally the coolest ship in the galaxy, and it's wrapped up. So, man, without further ado, I say let's get into this thing and see what's in there. Who knows what we're gonna find? Leave a comment below if you think what's gonna be in here. I'm sure there's gonna be some stickers that may not stick anymore, and hopefully no presents from rats, because who knows where this thing has been. But we've got a knife.
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife.
That's a knife. And we're gonna tear into this thing. I mean, legit, guys. Tape's still on. Toys R Us sticker still on the box. We all want to be a Toys R Us kid, but today's the day where we got to grow up and unwrap this bad boy. And here we go. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. It's got that new box crack still. I'm gonna put this knife down because sharp objects are dangerous. Okay, still all wrapped up in old school plastic. Oh yeah, it's just like it was in 1990 whatever. Well, here it is out of the box. It's literally still all wrapped up. I mean, this Joker is in plastic. It's still got the styrofoam wrapped on it. It's amazing. It's in I'm shocked how good of condition that it's in for being the age that it is. And it looks like the stickers and the instructions are all still in there. Let's see what else is in the box. Setting that there so it doesn't fall. Oh, okay, this is like all the the glass and the little satellite dish that goes on part. And dude, it's still here. You know what this reminds me of? Happy Meal. Of like when you bust the toy out of like an old school Happy Meal. It's got those Happy Meal vibes. Well, guys, it is all here. And I've got to put it together. But this is what a new in box 1990s Millenium Falcon looks like. My mom thought she bought me the 80s one. And I'm like, actually, this one's cooler because the 80s one was it literally was a hunk of junk. Looks like a toy from brand new. So I'm kind of shocked like how good this all looks. Even like the windscreen and all of that stuff looks like it's all in fantastic shape. Man. Stay tuned. This isn't gonna stay in a box, and that's kind of the problem, right? Like, as we get all these things, and I'm not one of these. And I know some of you are watching this, going, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe he had a new in-box something and didn't unbox it." But I couldn't imagine like not having this out to like play with and enjoy. In fact, last time I was on eBay, someone just has the box, like buy the box. So, and what's interesting is what I did. Is I went shopping for all the other things, thinking, okay. And so I found all of the characters. You know, I got Chewie and Han and 3PO and R2 and Luke and Leia, because you can't like have a Falcon without it. So like, and you know, this thing was originally $494. I don't know, Derek, if you want to zoom in on that. Like, it's got the Walmart like 90s price tag for $494 on it. But somebody made the big profit of $6. They made $1.06, which probably means they sold it to the comic book shop that I bought for and lost a couple of dollars on it. But yeah, I'm gonna get these out and unpack them and put them on the shelf in my bonus room, because these don't deserve to be like locked in a cage. They should be out and seen where they can be enjoyed and be experienced, and we can all be reminded that the galaxy's out there and we get to explore it.